Hello and welcome. I'm Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks here in Cape Town, and welcome to my latest installation of a whole house audio, video, network and Wi-Fi solution. What we've done is worked with the architect, builder and interior designer over the last 3 months to carry out a complete renovation on this house and enable us to be able to install Wi-Fi into this 5-bedroom house, which features multiple TVs as well as a cinema room, and enables us to be able to give high quality Wi-Fi across all the spaces in the entire house, as well as providing a future-proof installation for any upgrades that might be coming in the future. So there's some details about each of the different rooms as we go through, detailing where we locate the Wi-Fi antennas for the best coverage, and this is basically an overview of this project, which I hope you enjoy. This is the network cabinet, commonly referred to as a server rack by most people. And what we've done is we've located all of the home runs for the entire house here. This is allowing us to have fixed network points for various different devices, be it televisions, speakers, etc., as well as all the Wi-Fi antennas are powered from a PoE network switch here in the server rack. So what we've done is we've color coordinated all of our cables for the purposes of our installations, which we do on all of our installations. In this instance, the blue cables are for the Wi-Fi, the orange cables are for any TV points, the black cable is an uplink down to the cinema room, and the grey cables are for any general data devices that are not in those categories. What we've also done is we've ensured that we have a second internet connection in here as a failover, because of the fact that this is a holiday rental property. Most of the guests that are coming here are required to have internet at all times. You know, most of them are travelers from international and they want to be able to connect to their local offices back home. So we feel like it's very important to have redundant internet connections for this project. In the master bedroom, we've installed a Samsung UHD TV on the wall, and we've hid the network cabling from the roof coming down in a conduit and the power cable from the plugs coming up also in a conduit. So all the cabling is completely hidden and providing a very clean, professional TV installation. This is the second master bedroom, and what we've done is located the Wi-Fi antenna on the ceiling once again. This allows anybody that's coming down this long passageway to my right hand side to connect to this Wi-Fi antenna as they're coming into the room, and it provides enough coverage for the entire master bedroom and ensuite. This is the upstairs guest bedroom, and once again, to be able to provide the best possible Wi-Fi coverage for each of the individual rooms, we've located a Wi-Fi antenna in the room, and this will give us enough coverage for this entire room as well as the ensuite bathroom. In the main lounge, we've brought network cabling down to the main TV point. This enables us to keep the TV on the fixed wide network. We've also located a Wi-Fi antenna here in this room so that we can have good quality Wi-Fi reception here in this main living room. This is the 4th bedroom of this villa, and to be able to ensure the best coverage for any young travelers that are going to be coming to stay at this house, we've got a Wi-Fi antenna located underneath this console. That should enable the best coverage for anybody that's working on a laptop on this desk or that is in this room, which obviously is a master bedroom and an ensuite. This is the 5th and final bedroom of this house, and once again we've installed a Wi-Fi antenna at this console so that if anybody is wanting to sit and work at this desk on an iPad or laptop or something like that, they have excellent Wi-Fi reception in this room. We've installed a waterproof outdoor Wi-Fi antenna so that this entire covered patio area has excellent Wi-Fi, so that if any of the guests want to take out a Wi-Fi enabled speaker or they just want to watch something on their iPads outside, there's enough Wi-Fi coverage out there for them. And now we get to the cinema room. What we've done is brought a uplink from the server cabinet up in the top floor all the way down to the cinema room, where we have a 8-port PoE network switch installed here. This network switch allows us to power a Wi-Fi antenna which is installed here behind this fabric front wall, as well as have a dedicated network cable to the television for any streaming services, the Sonos Arc soundbar for any music playback, as well as the two Sonos rear speakers. We always prefer to keep all devices that are stationary on a hardwired network so that troubleshooting is far easier in the future. This also is better practice because that means any devices that are connecting to the Wi-Fi here are only mobile devices. This eliminates the possibility for any interference from any other Wi-Fi devices in the house. If you're looking for a network or Wi-Fi installation, please get in contact. We'd be happy to assist.